Hello everybody. Do you want to remove the BitLocker waiting activation mark? I just installed an NVMe drive from another computer just to see this when I opened Windows Explorer. First, open the Task Manager, select the Performance tab. Now, click on the drive that contains the drive letter that you want deactivated. Keep it open so you'll know when it's done. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start menu button, then type CMD. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now type manage-bde:\off. Hit Enter. The E represents the partition you want to change. If it's F, as in my example, just change the text to manage-bde:\off. You can change the partition letter to whatever fits for you. The command is in the description. As seen on the Performance tab, the drive is now working. You can use your computer while this is going on. My partition took about 15 minutes to complete. When the graph returns to 0, it's done. I hope this helps. Have a great day.